Good afternoon, children. So in the previous class, how many we learned? How many times? Up to example 12 we learned. Now write the heading exercise 4.4. Write the first question. Exercise 4.4. What is the first question? Find 40 minus of 22. First one is you have to find 40 minus 22. What you can do? 40 minus 22. First you should remove the brackets. Okay. So 40 minus 22. How can you write? 40 minus. Remove the brackets. Minus or plus. What is that? Minus only. Minus 22. 40 minus 22. How much? 10. 10 minus 2. 8. Here 3. 3 minus 2. 1. 18 is the answer. Did you understand now? It's very easy. You should remove the brackets only, then you should do. Okay? Come on, Raj. Next. Second sum C. Those who have completed, check your answers. 84 minus 98. How can you do this one? 84 minus 98. 84. Remove the brackets. Minus 98. Now, here plus, here minus. What you should do? Subtraction or addition? Subtraction. So, which one is the biggest number? 98 is the biggest number. So, subtract 8 minus 4. 4. 9 minus 8. 1. So here negative number is bigger. So that's why you should keep minus. Did you understand? Minus 14. Next, third one. Minus 16 plus of minus 17. How can you write this one? Minus 16 plus of minus. Remove the brackets. Plus of minus, what will get? Minus. Plus of minus is minus. So now both are negatives only. Both are negative integers only. What you should do? Addition or subtraction? Addition. Both negative means you should do addition. But you have to put the symbol subtraction. Okay. So 6 plus 7. How much? 13. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. But you have to keep the symbol minus. Minus 33. Okay. Next, fourth one. Minus 20 minus 13. Now remove the brackets. Minus 20 minus 13. Here also both negative integers only. What you should do? Addition. Do the addition. 0 plus 3, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. But you should keep the symbol minus. Okay. Next, fifth one. 38 minus of minus 6. 38 minus of minus 6. That means what? Remove the brackets. 38 minus of minus plus 6. So 38 plus 6. How much? 44. Next, sixth one. Minus 17 minus of minus 36. Remove the brackets. Minus 17 minus of minus plus 36. Okay, here one negative integer and one positive integer. What you should do? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Okay, one addition and one subtraction means you can do subtraction. Now 6 minus 7. Can you subtract? No, take one borrow here. So 16. 16 minus 7. How much? 16 minus 7, 9. Here what is the number remaining? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So positive number is bigger now. So you have, what is the answer? Positive only. Plus 19 is the answer. Did you understand now? Check your answers. Next, see the second question, children. Fill in the boxes with greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So you have to fill the boxes in your textbook only. Don't write in your notebooks. So what is the first question given? -4 plus -5. Next here, -5 minus of -4 given. So which one is greater, which one is lesser? Okay, see, -4 plus of -5. Okay, here -5 minus of minus plus 4, minus of minus plus 4. So -4 minus 5, how much? -9. Here -5 plus 4, how much? -1. Now which one is greater, -9 or -1? -9 is greater. Huh? In the negative numbers, which one is greater? That is the least number. So which one is the greater? -9 or -1? -1 is the greatest number. So you have to put the less than symbol. Okay. In the negative integers, -1 is the greatest number. Now second one. -16 minus of -23 -6 plus of -12. Now do this one. -16, remove the brackets. Minus of minus plus 23. Okay. Next here, -6 plus of minus 12. So 23 minus 16. How much? 23 minus 16. So 3 minus, can you do? No. So take one borrow here. 13. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, how much? 7. Here 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 7. Here -6 minus 12, how much? -18. So which one is greater, 7 or -18? 7 is the greatest number. Why? Because positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So put the greater than symbol. Next, third one. 44 minus of -10. 47 plus of -3. 44 minus of minus plus 10. 47 plus of -3. Okay. So 44 plus 10, how much? 44 plus 10, 54. 47 minus 3, how much? 44. Now which one is greater, 54 or 44? 54 is greater. So you have to put the greater than symbol. Okay. Did you understand what? Yes. Okay, right. Write in your textbooks only. Next one, see, fill in the blanks. Third one. -13 plus dash equal to 0. -13 plus dash equal to 0. So what is 0 here? 82, I didn't know. So which one you should add to -13? We will get 0. Which number you should add it here? Plus 13. Here -13 is there now. So you should add here 13 plus 13. So write here 13. -13 plus 13, how much? 0. Next, second one. What do you call these two? Additive inverses of each other. Additive inverses of each other. -13 is the additive inverse of +13. +13 is the additive inverse of -13. Next, -16 plus 16 equal to dash. Minus 16 plus 16. What is the answer? 0. Okay. So minus 16 is the additive inverse of plus 16. Plus 16 is the additive inverse of minus 16. Next. Minus 5 plus dash equal to minus 14. Minus 5 plus dash equal to minus 14. So which number you should add it here? We will get minus 14. Which number you should add it here? Here answer is negative number. Negative. So you should add it here negative number. Which number you should add it here? Yes, minus 9. Minus 5, minus 9. How much? Minus 14. Next. Dash plus 2 minus 16 is equal to minus 22. Dash plus 2 minus 16 equal to minus 22. So 2 minus 16 is how much? 2 minus 16 is how much? Minus 14. Here minus 14 equal to minus 22 plus dash. So which one you should add it here? We will get minus 22. Here minus 14 is there. Transpose here. What will become? Plus 14. So 22 plus 14. How much? 12 minus 4, 8. So what you should add here? 8. So minus 8. Minus 8 you should add it here. We will get minus 22. Minus 8 minus 14 how much? Minus 22. Did you understand, ma'am? Now see unit exercise, all of you. Unit exercise. Write the integers for the following situations. A kite is flying at a height of 225 meters in the sky. At a height of 225 meters. At a height means it is above. That means what you should write? It is a plus 225. What you should write? Plus 225. In the bracket you should write plus 225. Plus 225. In the bracket write plus 225. Next, a wave is at a depth of 1250 meters in the ocean. Depth means inside. So what you should write? Plus or negative? Positive or negative? Negative. Inside no? So you should write minus 1250. The temperature in Sahara Desert is 12 degrees centigrade below freezing temperature. Below means what you should write? Positive or negative? Negative. So what you should write? Minus 12 degree centigrade. Next, Ravi withdrawn rupees 3,800 from ATM using his debit card. Ravi withdrawn 3,800 rupees from ATM using his debit card. Withdrawn. He is taking from the bank with debit card. Withdrawn. He is taken the money. So what is it? Positive or negative? Positive. Withdrawn now. Taken the money. So what you should write? Minus. So minus 3,800. Okay? Did you understand? Next. Second question, see, justify the following statements with an example. A positive integer is always greater than a negative integer. Is it right or wrong? Positive integer is always greater than a negative integer or not? Yes, no. Positive integer is always greater than negative integer, no. Okay. So you should write one example. Yes, it is true. Yes. On the side you have to write true. Write one example. What is that example? 7 is greater than minus 7. This is positive integer, this is negative integer. Positive integer is always greater than negative integer. Okay. Next, second one. All positive integers are natural numbers. All positive integers are natural numbers or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. All are natural numbers or not? Yes. True. True. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Natural numbers, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are all positive integers or not? Yes. 0 is greater than a negative integer? 0 is greater than a negative integer? No. Why? 0 is greater than negative integer? No. Yes, true. What is the example? 0 is greater than minus 1. Okay. 0, where the 0 lies on the number line? After negative integers, 0 lies. Okay, negative integers right side, 0 lies. Okay, so 0 is greater than negative integers. There exist infinite integers in the number system. Is it right or wrong? Yes, infinite integers are there in the number system. True. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. All whole numbers are integers. All whole numbers are integers or not? Whole numbers are starting from 0 onwards now. 0, 1, 2, 3. All are integers or not? Yes. True. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. All are true. Okay. Okay. Today homework is turn the page number 56. From third term onwards, 10th term, you can do homework. All are you done in the chapter, in this fourth chapter. Okay. So represent 3 plus 4, 8 plus minus 3, so on the number line. On the number line, you should represent those numbers. Write all the integers lying between the given numbers. From 7 and 12, what are those integers in between 7 and 12? Write that integers. Like that you should do. Arrange the following integers in ascending and descending order. Here some numbers are given. You should arrange ascending and descending order. So ascending order means smallest to biggest, descending means biggest to smallest. So negative integers write first. Okay. Next, write a real life situation for each of the following integers. Yesterday you wrote example 11. No, like that you should write 6th term. You can write your real life situations. Next, 7th term. Find minus 603 plus 603. Now only we done now. Exercise 4.4. Like that you can do the sums. 8th one also same like that only. 9th one, 10th one, same like that only you can do. Okay, ma? So these are the homework. Unit exercise you can do in your HW. So we are completed 4th chapter. Tomorrow we will discuss any doubts in this chapter. I will discuss. Okay, ma? Okay, children. Goodbye.